Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add back button on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to enable the assistive touch. To do that, simply open Settings app on your iPhone. And once you are inside the Settings app, simply tap on the search bar and type assistive touch and tap on it. And here you simply need to turn on the assistive touch. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to customize the button. So tap on single tap and choose home, and this will act as a back button by taking you to the home screen. Alternatively, you can also select app switcher if you want a quick access for multitasking. And also note that there is no direct back button like on Android. By swiping left to right is still the easiest way to go back within the apps. Assistive touch is best for quickly returning to the home screen or switching between the apps. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.